Every chocolate biscuit begins far from the factory floor. Cocoa is harvested by hand to preserve quality.
Inside each pod lie the seeds of chocolate.
Fermentation unlocks cocoa's signature flavor. Drying stabilizes cocoa for transport.
Biscuits need structure and needle, and wheat provides it.
Only mature grains are selected. Sweetness starts in the field. Harvested cane moves quickly to processing.
Milk adds richness to biscuit dough.
The audio features an ambient outdoor hum, suggesting a farm environment.
Raw materials prepare for their journey.
From field to factory, the process moves forward.
Transport keeps raw materials fresh and protected. Distance demands careful timing. Temperature control preserves quality. Cocoa travels sealed and dry.
The factory comes into view.
Every load is logged before entry.
Weights are verified precisely.
Materials enter controlled zones. Cocoa moves first.
Grains follow a dedicated route. Sugar sources are processed immediately. Liquids enter sealed systems. The factory is ready to begin transformation.
Every bean is screened to ensure only the best proceed.
Even the smallest contaminants are eliminated.
Grains are purified for perfect dough consistency.
Impurities in sugar are separated early. Even liquids are carefully filtered.
Human eyes catch what machines might miss. Consistency is achieved through precision sorting.
Even the heaviest impurities are removed. Pure sweetness is clarified before use.
All ingredients are now ready for production.
Samples are taken to ensure quality standards. Nothing leaves this stage without a thorough check. Cleaned ingredients are finally ready to transform into biscuits.
Roasting unlocks the rich cocoa flavor.
Cooling ensures beans are ready for grinding.
Ground cocoa forms the heart of chocolate.
Dough begins its transformation into biscuits.
Each addition is measured to perfection.
Uniform sheets ensure every biscuit is consistent.
Cutting gives each biscuit its signature shape.
Preparation before baking guarantees quality.
Baking transforms dough into crispy delights.
Cooling prepares biscuits for the finishing touch.
Every biscuit receives its signature chocolate layer. Controlled cooling locks in shine and texture.
Proper alignment ensures every biscuit is inspected and packaged correctly.
Cream fillings are prepared to meet taste perfection.
Each biscuit receives the exact amount of cream.
The sandwich is assembled with exact precision. Decorative chocolate enhances appearance and taste. Cooling ensures chocolate patterns remain intact. Extra toppings are applied carefully for texture and flavor. Final coatings create visual appeal and signature taste.
Every biscuit is checked for perfect size and shape.
Human checks complement machine precision.
Batches are arranged perfectly for automated handling. Precision weighing ensures consistency in every pack. Prepared batches enter the automated world of packaging and finishing. Automation ensures speed, precision, and safety. Robots handle repetitive tasks flawlessly. Computer vision spots even the smallest imperfection. Every biscuit meets exact specifications. Orientation guarantees perfect packaging. Safety is enforced at every stage.
Wrapping lines are prepared for speed and precision.
Flow wrapping preserves freshness and hygiene.
Every pack is trackable and fully compliant.
High-tech systems optimize space and efficiency.
Even automated stacks are double-checked before storage.
All lines converge to create the final product.
Human oversight complements the machines.
Each pallet contains perfectly arranged biscuit packs.
Storage preserves freshness until distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce chocolate biscuits from start to finish.
Discover the journey from raw ingredients to delicious biscuits.